Sorry, this is our messy break room, but this is your Red Bull cooler that you purchased. Let me get this off of here. Sorry, that's just a little tape. And I have this plugged up. So I'm going to put this thermometer in, which right now is at 80 degrees. So we're going to put it right there. And this is the interior of your refrigerator, all lit up. And the lights work. And that light works as well. This is the fridge all the way around. A couple small scratches here and there. I think that's that might be tape. Yeah. But all in all, the seal and everything's in real good condition. The cord is in real good condition. It's this one here. So I don't think there's any imperfections in the cord, and it's just this kind, that plugs into the back. So if you ever want a different cord or a longer one, you can always put one on. Move this here so you can see the side. There's a small imperfection right there. I guess I didn't notice that before. And that's just from being on the side of the counter. And, I don't know if that's an imperfection or not. What does this side look like? Yeah, there's a little imperfection there. There's just a couple pieces of tape open. This is the grid over the condensing unit. You have to have plenty of room on that. And let's see here. Give that a little time to drop down. But this is the cooler, and now, as the advertisement noted, we do not have the key, although I'm sure you can have a locksmith make the key for that. I'll help you see how this is doing. Yeah, as you can see, it's getting cooler. We'll leave it in for another minute. It was almost a temperature. It's a very quiet, very nice cooler for you. Let's see here. As you can see, that is very cool. Working the way it should. Thank you very much for your business.